Okay, I made it back out of the shop today. Basically this is going to be some fix-up work to get the sizing exactly right and get within tolerance of these boards. I've got a couple of board samples and I picked the largest board that I have coming from the vendor. And you know, PCBs you can always sand or fix edges up or something like that if I needed to. But I picked the largest one that I've got without any modifications to finish up the one side of this enclosure, this prototype. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Really not sure what we're going to get into. I know that I've got to expand the adapter clearing just a hair, and then I've got a contour that's using a really small end mill. It's a 1/16 inch end mill. It's actually going around and contouring around the edges of where the PCB goes. Okay, this is the part, and basically what I'm looking at doing is I want to basically increase the clearance all the way around the board. The boards that I got from the manufacturer, just, you know, maybe 1/1000th off from what I spec'd out and actually had made. Not a big deal. So we're going to add a little bit of clearance. I'm shooting for about between 1 and 3/1000ths clearance for the board to go in here. Okay, I think we've got the bottom side prototype done. And basically, there's actually a voltage regulator on the back side of this on a previous board. It didn't have as thick of a case. And what I ended up doing is actually milling this again and providing a little bit extra clearance for that regulator. Again, the Balix tapped holes, these are forming taps, work really good. This is rock solid. This isn't going anywhere. Everything's protected. I am going to have to widen the chute on the top section of this for the expanded wires. This has a couple more wires coming out of the top. The bottom side wires are perfect. I won't have any problems getting wires in and out. This is a machine. I'm going to kind of zoom up here to let you see it real close. So we've got 4 tapped holes. This is not going to go anywhere. Basically the board is just below the top surface of this. So basically when you put the upper shell on top, this will be totally enclosed. And these screws, it actually won't be these particular screws, but it'll actually go all the way through the top cover into the bottom cover with this board sandwiched in between. Anyway, hope you like the videos. I'm not going to have time tonight to cut this out and mill the other side, but it's a fairly simple operation. Basically the other side is just a facing operation. I'll actually cut this out with a bandsaw and flip it over and face that sometime this week. Anyway, hope you liked the videos. If you have any questions, shoot me a line. Thanks for watching.